Welcome everyone. Now we are going to learn about the semiconductors. So without wasting any time, let's get into the semiconductors. So what are the semiconductors? Like for example, carbon, silicon, germanium, and so on in its group is known as semiconductors. So semiconductors having a common thing, that's why we call it a semiconductor. This is the same group as you can see, and in the last cell there are four electrons which are present. So this is the keyword here, four electrons. So in the last cell when there is four electrons, so something like semi-stable state, it cannot donate electron or it cannot take electrons, so it only forms the sharing or bonding by using the orbit. So this is known as semiconductors. So how these are different from the rest of the conductor and insulator, let's see very quickly and let's get into that. So what are the conductors? Conductors are something that conduct heat and electricity. Insulator are the things that do not conduct heat and electricity. So what the conduction mean here is something that can flow from one point to another point. Something that allows is called as conductor, and something that do not allow this kind of flow, this is known as insulator. So what is mid in that between? So it can switch to conductor or insulator. Well, when I first read that, it was really fascinating for me that how this something kind of the things is actually happening in this state. So let's see that how it actually happens. So there is a nucleus in the center as for sure. So we are not considering the nucleus here because we do not require any nucleus. So the focus is upon only on the electrons and not the nucleus things. So we have these electrons here which we require to have four. So it how it can act as conductor and insulator. Before going into technicalities, in the next one I'm going to tell you that what range decides that what is conductor, what is insulator, and what is semiconductor on the basis of not just the electron but something behind that. So stick with me, take care, see you in the next one.